Hey guys, welcome back to the Workcast Tag. So guys, in this short tutorial, I am going to show you how you can fix that your MacBook speakers not working. So let's start video without wasting any time. If you are facing this kind of issue on your Mac after update, make sure check these settings. First of all, you need to open your Mac settings. After that, tap on settings, okay, and make sure output volume is unmute from here, okay. Now you can see a person screen here are also showing play sound effect through select sound output. Make sure your device also selected on this option. Okay, after that, just close that and restart your Mac and check its speaker 100% working if you don't have any hardware issue. If you have any hardware issue, just connect the nearest Apple store, they will fix that. Thanks for watching.